Math 083 Final Exam Review, Problem 4, Parts A and B. We will perform the indicated operation and simplify if possible. When we add or subtract fractions, whether those fractions are real number fractions or rational expressions, we cannot proceed until each fraction has the same denominator. And in this case, we are given two rational expressions with the identical denominator, 2x plus 5. So in fact, the least common denominator is 2x plus 5. That means we can proceed straight to combining these two fractions down into one fraction with that very same least common denominator, 2x plus 5. And what we do is we string together this numerator right here. Notice that we have a subtraction sign followed by more than one term. We will have to write the terms that follow the minus sign inside parentheses. The numerator is therefore 9x plus 17 minus the quantity 3x plus 2. In the numerator we have 9x plus 17 minus 3x minus 2 when we distribute the minus sign. In the denominator we have 2x plus 5. The numerator cleans up to 6x plus 15. Recall that we cannot simplify a fraction until the numerator and denominator are factored. In the numerator we can factor out 3, and we write 3 times the quantity, 2x plus 5. The denominator is 2x plus 5. These factors divide to 1. We have therefore 3 times 1, which is 3, divided by 1. That gives us 3, and that is our answer. Let's move on to part B. Here's another example where each of the added fractions, each of the added rational expressions, has the same denominator already. Therefore, our least common denominator is that very same a squared minus 5a plus 4. Therefore, when we add these fractions together, the denominator will be the very same a squared minus 5a plus 4. In the numerator, we will string together these expressions. We get in the numerator a plus 2 plus a squared minus 4a. In the numerator, this cleans up to a squared 1a and a negative 4a add up to negative 3a, and then plus this 2 right here. Carry the denominator along. We cannot simplify this rational expression until, or unless, the numerator and the denominator are factored and have a common factor which can be divided to 1. In the numerator, because the leading coefficient is 1, we can use what I have called the a equals 1 shortcut. We need two numbers that multiply together to give c, which is positive 2, which also add up to b, which is negative 3. The numbers which do that are negative 1 and negative 2. Therefore, the numerator factors in the following way: a minus 1 times a minus 2. Now let's factor the denominator. The denominator has a quadratic with leading coefficient 1. We can use the a equals 1 shortcut. We need two numbers that multiply together to give c, which is 4, that also add up to b, which is negative 5. Those numbers are negative 1 and negative 4. Therefore, the denominator factors as a minus 1 times a minus 4. These factors divide to 1, and we arrive at our answer a minus 2 divided by a minus 4.